Hello and welcome to this course on CrewAI brought to you by techlatest.net. This is the course overview video where we will give you a quick walkthrough of what you can expect in this course. So let's get started. TechLatest offers a powerful virtual machine solution that comes pre-configured with CrewAI framework, CrewAI Studio, and Jupyter Hub, all with GPU acceleration support powered by NVIDIA. At the beginning of the course, we will dive into the CrewAI framework, a Python-based framework ideal for building autonomous AI agents tailored to a variety of scenarios. We will cover the basics, core concepts, how it works, and its key features. Next, we will introduce you to CrewAI Studio, a visual interface for designing and managing your AI agent teams. Think of it as a graphical user interface built on top of the CrewAI framework, enabling faster iteration and easier deployment of complex agent-based systems. We will then take a look at Jupyter Notebook, a widely used browser-based development environment. It lets you write and run code in individual cells, making it perfect for experimenting, testing, and developing AI agents. We will show you how to access Jupyter Hub included in the TechLatest VM setup and highlight some additional features it offers. The virtual machine solution is available on major cloud platforms including Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud GCP, and Amazon Web Services. In the next part of the course, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of provisioning and connecting to the VM on each of these platforms. Following that, we will explore how to run CrewAI demos. With this VM setup, you can run examples directly via CrewAI Studio, a no-code interface for agent system design. We will show you how to run sample code and explain how it works. Similarly, we will demonstrate how to create and run AI agents crews within Jupyter Notebook. This approach gives you more control over your code compared to the Studio. We will also walk through a practical example that showcases agent orchestration and task execution. Lastly, we will show you how to run AI agents directly from the terminal using the CrewAI framework command line interface. We will wrap up this section with a hands-on demo to illustrate this approach in action. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit our website at www.techlatest.net. Don't forget to follow us on X, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Medium for more exciting content on the latest and greatest in technology. Thank you.